The state government has developed a decentralized COVID management strategy document based on the suggestions received from collectors, SPs, and others during my last meeting with them through video conference on the 29th of June 2020. Different departments, district administrators, and senior officers of government have been entrusted with specific responsibilities towards management of COVID-19 pandemic in the state. I believe we must be taking sincere steps for implementing the tasks in the field. I have a few more points for you. We should have a system of online entry for occupants in COVID care homes. This will improve monitoring. We will start Mo Sarkar and take random feedback on special parameters from positive persons admitted in COVID care centers and COVID hospitals. All COVID observers and senior officers must take random feedback from patients. We should also do the same for COVID care warriors. Take feedback from them, improve the availability of ambulances between various COVID care facilities. It is important to keep the family members informed about the change in health status of positive patients. We should also have facility to connect patients and their family members through phone or video calls. We must ask the union government not to increase the train and air connectivity. We should explore further reducing the frequency of connectivity from hospitals